When I was adopted, the agency had said to her, be careful. If someone like saw her and was like, that's a Native baby, you're white, you shouldn't have her. Okay, now I'm gonna take you and your mom. She was terrified someone was gonna try to take me.
There's no resource more important to the continued existence of American Indian tribes than their children.
Between 25 and 35% of all American Indian children are removed from their families.
It has been called by some cultural genocide.
We were just desperate to have a family.
It's hard to feel like there's any history behind America.
Hi, April, this is Kendra Potter, your birth daughter. I don't know if leaving a voicemail is too weird.
Hi. Hi. I was afraid that I would create more questions for her than provide answers. I'm so far from who that was, and I'm so grateful you weren't a part of any of that. It's taken a long time for me to believe that I belong places.
There's this desire to be recognized as Native, but what is Native anymore?
When someone says, you're Lummi, it's very hard for me. I can't wrap my mind around it. I don't know what that means.
Don't be ashamed who you are now. Your ancestors are here. They led you here.